Rolling.
Oh, hi, didn't notice you there. See, there's a big problem facing our world today, and that's plastic. It's overused way too much, takes up our fossil fuels with blah, blah, blah. I'm here to talk about iron. Now, we don't quite know when iron was discovered, but the name iron derived from the Latin term, like, ferrum. That's why the chemical symbol is Fe, for ferrum. Now, iron is, like, in many things, like, the bumper here, that's made of iron. Hood right here, that's made of iron too. But now you probably have some questions about iron. How is it made? What are its chemical properties? How many valence electrons does it have? Well, we're going to answer that all real soon. So stick around. And we're back with, like, metal talk. Let's go with that. Now, we're going to be talking about metals. Specifically, iron. We've already covered, with the Latins and stuff. Now, iron has a mass number of 56 and an atomic number of 26. Now, that atomic number means that there are 13 protons, and the other half of that, like 26, is 13 electrons. Now, these battery things here, now that's iron right there. It's metal.
Batteries are not metal.
Yep. Now, iron's got a melting point of right around 3,000 degrees and a boiling point at right about 4,500 degrees. So it's pretty hot.
Really?
Quiet. So now you might be asking, well, how do they make iron? It's a mineral that's found in the ground, like salt. But it's not salt, obviously. Now, they get it in these little pellets, and they take them to these places where they make them into stuff, like quarter panels for trucks here, and rims for trucks. That's right, and that blue barrel right there. That's iron right there too. Now, iron doesn't come painted like blue here. It's just kind of silvery. That's what the website said. But you can paint it whatever color you want after sandblasting and priming. Well, we're going to take a short commercial break. Yep. Now remember, this show... And we're back with the metal show. Talking about iron here. Now this right here, this is quality iron. International. Better than them stupid John Deere's. Yup, now this, iron has a tendency to rust really slow. This is from 1946. There's barely any rust on it at all. Paint stays the same because it's red, and red's a good color, not like green. Green's a bad color. Yep, that mufflers, that's stainless steel. That's another variant of iron. Now it doesn't really stain unless you get a sack thrown up on there and it starts to burn the muffler, but
heat.
Different story. Yeah, with heat, my camera guy said. Yep, well, we're gonna have to take another commercial break here. And we're back with metal talk. Talking about iron today. Now this here is the gravity box. It's used for transporting feed and stuff, and as you can see, it's made out of iron. Now, farm equipment is special because unlike cars in Wisconsin, they don't rust that much because they're not brought in contact with salt. Salt is a destroyer of iron as it leads to rusting. Quiet. Now, you're probably wondering why it just looks like this. Well, this has been out on the road for hauling feed and stuff. Yep. Well, that's about it for our show today. I hope you learned a lot. Hope Freund gives me a good grade on this, because it took about 20 minutes to get this ready, so I was prepared. Stop it. By the way, this is Little Bull. He's my pal. Clock you one. But we have fun. We have fun.